Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Gurukul. Today we are going to talk about the mental. Tennis is a 90% mental game, not me. All the experts are saying the same thing. So today we are going to talk about mental. In mental we have the many components like mental toughness, emotional control, confidence, concentration, anticipation. There are a lot. Today we are going to talk about the only confidence. So how we can get confidence on court. So that one we are going to give you the 5 checklist for the confidence. If anybody want to go to play any match, they need the confidence. And the first thing for confidence, you need a sound technique. Means all the techniques should be very good, isn't it? If you are going to play match and your backhand is not good, then what happens? You are not going to get the confidence, because confidence you can't buy from the supermarket. Confidence is your inner feeling. So if your all the stroke is sound, technique is perfect, that means you will get the confidence to go to hit any ball. So first one is the confidence. Because of that, you try to improve your backhand, because still you can see in the even the pro level also people are attacking to the backhand. So your backhand slice, backhand topspin, your forehand, it must be perfect and good sound technique. Otherwise, it's very hard to get the confidence. So now we are going to talk about the second point. The second point is reliable second serve. You know that there are a lot of players, they are playing very good. Their first service is also good. But you know that first service you can't get the ball always in. So your second serve must be that. Sometimes people second serve not good, so they are struggling in the first serve also. Because if your second serve is, you know that your second serve is 100% right and you can keep in the right place, then your first serve is going to help for that also, because you have the confidence that you are going to do the perfect second serve. You have no hesitation, so you are going to get the confidence. Okay, so now we are going to talk about the third one. The third point is the fitness. If you are fit, you are moving very nicely. In fitness, you have the 3 components. First, you have a lot of things to do, but for 3 components, quickness, endurance, and strength. Sometimes you are going to play for some pusher, so you know that you are going to play 2 hours match or 2.5 hour match, because you need to hit lot of ball to return. So because of that, you need good endurance, you need the good quickness, so you can move nicely, so that also is very important. And then strength. When you are going to hit a good ball, good powerful ball, you need a very good strength to hit the ball. So if your fitness is good, and then you will get the confidence for that. So third one is the confidence. So we already done for the sound technique, reliable serve, and the fitness. Now we are going for the fourth one. Everybody is going to talk about the attacking game. Now in tennis, in the modern tennis, people are playing the always aggressive. But you can see that who is winning the match or winning any tournament, their defense is very good. Because in the other sports like basketball, even the soccer, the football, they have the special defensive player. In the soccer, they have the four defense they are the specialists for the defense. So defense is the very important part of the tennis, because when you defense good, and then because the match is vary for the only 5-6 points, and that time if you defense nicely and you can utilize the ball, then you have the next chance to attack or aggressive stroke. Okay, so defense is very important. This thing is neglected by all the players, even the coaches also. So we need to improve that thing also, to how to defense. So try to improve your slice, try to improve your lob, try to improve your lousy looping ball. This is important. You can check our video where I done the defensive strokes. Okay, So that is also very important. Okay. So now we are going to for the last one, the bonus tips. I know that people are having very good forehand, very good backhand. It's good. When you go to play match, you need to know how to serve. What I said, reliable good second serve in the backhand stroke, forehand stroke. In defense, you need to do very good slice. But there are one or two special things for everybody. Like, for example, like Djokovic is hitting very good defense and very nice backhand. Okay, Nadal forehand inside out is very good. Like Federer, his service is not that hard. It's only 180 or 190 kilometers, but his service is amazing. When his first service is in, it's very hard to beat him. So because of that, you need to improve about your few things, like who wants to do very good slice is okay. Maybe somebody is doing very good drop shot, that also okay. So something special on you where you can make yourself more comfortable, or you can try to get few free points. So that is the important thing. So that one is no need to know you need to improve that special thing. That one is everybody having, but I'm just saying that one or two things which one is very important for the player, which is they are master for that. Okay, somebody is a very good volley. Okay, Sampras, he's doing very good top spin serve and then coming to the net and finishing the volley. So that few things is very important. So you must have something, one or two special thing, which one you are very good. So you understand that mental is today we are talking about the confidence. Next we are going to talk about the mental toughness, and the other thing also in the series of the mental video, tennis mental. So please keep watching our channels, and you can get all type of mental fitness and tennis related all type of problem and corrective techniques for that. So thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe our channel. Bye bye.